National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for the White Clay Creek near Newark until this evening or until the warning is canceled. At 8:15 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 13.3 feet and rising. Flood stage is 13.0 feet. Minor flooding is occurring, and minor flooding is forecast. The river will continue rising to near 15.0 feet by late this morning. The river will fall below flood stage late this afternoon. Impact at 13.5 feet. Businesses in the area begin to flood. A flash